killed just because they're standing up for their rights. And this is 2024. 2024, when everybody has rights, students should have the most right, and they're getting killed just because they're raising their voices. Absolutely unacceptable, and we condemn this killing. Right?
আমরা সবাই জানি আমরা এখানে কেন এসেছি। আমরা কন্ডেম করি যা ঘটছে এখন বাংলাদেশে। আমরা স্টুডেন্টদের পক্ষে আমরা কথা বলবো।
Dictator government Sheikh Hasina, we are not belonging, a lot of people here, not any BNP, Jamaat and Jatu Party. This is our one stand for, we need our right of the merit, not for the quota. That's over, guys. Thank you.